Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we dive into today's video, let me introduce myself. I'm a Jingle Soni, a tech enthusiast with over 5 years of experience in a technical field, and I have a bachelor's degree in a BCA and my expertise lies in Laravel and PHP. I'm also the founder and CEO of WebCrux Technology. I'm working on my dream goals nowadays. So while setting the tech insights on my YouTube channel, here is Tech with Gina. So let's start with today's topic, like how I started my coding journey. And let's start with how it all began. So 8 years ago, I never imagined that I would be working with clients, mastering Laravel, and handling the real world project. But here is all how it's all started. So honestly, I had no idea about BCA before I took admission. So I chose it simply because it was related to computer application and I was new. I wanted to build a career in a tech initially. I aimed for a computer engineering, but I went with BCA as it is aligned with my goal of entering the tech field. So during my BCA, I learned a multiple programming language like C, C++, PHP, Java, .NET, operating systems, DBMS, etc. I had a only basic knowledge of this technology at that time. In my final year, I completed a certified course in Android development and developed my final year project using the .NET Tech Stack. It was a great experience where I not only gained the technical skills but also made some meaningful connection during that time. So I'm very thankful for it. And after my BCA, I had to decide which technology I have to specialize in. So I chose Android development and took a course to gain a more in-depth knowledge. So I learned basics of Java and Android and how to build a small project and how to work with the project. So at the same time, I started exploring PHP and Coordinator framework to build a project. But after a few months, I took a short break before restarting my journey. So finally, it's time to start. It's time to get a first work or a first job. So luckily, me and one of my friends got first ever client, someone with an existing website and app. So the project budget is very low, but we took it to gain a real world experience. After that, I got my first ever full time job working on both Android apps and PHP coordinator based website around this time. I also started learning Laravel and built my first ever Laravel based project over there. And during that time, so many ups and downs I faced in my career. So after working for some time, I took a break due to my wedding. But when I returned, I fully focused on Laravel, gaining experience and eventually specialize in it. Over the last 5 years, I progressed from small project to large scale application and from junior developer to senior developer and technical lead. I also learned how to work efficiently in a company environment, and I want to share some key lessons from my journey that I realized. So, first one I want to share with you is mastering of one language is better than learning too many at once. So, focusing on one will allows you to become truly proficient. Mastering of one language leads to deeper understanding and better problem solving. And second one is asking for a help. Asking for a help is important, so don't hesitate to ask questions. It is a not sign of weakness, but a way to learn faster and avoid unnecessary mistakes. So, whether from a mentor or a online communities, getting help speed up your progress. So, ask for a help is important, and self learning is also more important things in a tech. So, things move fast, so self learning allows you to stay updated and on new trends or tools or best practices. So this is the thing. So self learning is important. and handling a team, managing a work life balance are also important. So technical skills are important, but being able to manage a team and maintain a work life balance is eventually crucial. It ensures you are productive, keeps your team motivated, and prevent a burnouts. And another thing I want to share with you is understanding the client needs, setting timelines, using Scrum to improve efficiency. This is a very important point while working on a large scale projects. So, a clear understanding of what the client wants and managing a timeline effectively is a key of successful projects. And use a Scrum methodology for better team communication and a better work. And uh, six, use a productivity hack. So, small productivity tricks like organizing a task, setting a priorities, or using automations help you to save time and reduce the stress. This lead a better work quality and faster career growth. And let's move to the biggest lesson that I learned it throughout my journey. The most important thing I learned is just gaining a knowledge is not enough. You need to take action. No matter how much you learn, if you don't apply it in a real project, and patience, consistency, and hard work are truly help you to move forward. In the beginning, it was tough. I know you will face a challenge due to lack of knowledge and struggle at the same time. But step by step, as you may gain experience, you will see the value of your efforts. And let's move to the mistakes parts. If I'm looking back, I did so many mistakes, but I want to share some of them with you. Is first one is choosing both web and app development instead of focusing one from the start, and especially in the beginning, and not having a mentor, which made learning slower and more difficult, and not attending meetups and events earlier, so which could have helped me to learn faster, and switching a job too frequently due to reasons like city change, career gaps, and resigning before securing another job, and not leveraging AI tools earlier for a better learning and productivity, which could have helped me to understand the concept faster and improve efficiently. Not actively connected with the fellow developers on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, where I could have built a strong network, learn from experts, and discover a better career opportunities. So that type of mistakes I made earlier, I want to give some advice to beginners. So if you are just starting your coding journey, here are some key lessons that I would like to share with you. The first one is focus on one thing at a time. Don't try to learn everything at once. Master of one technology first, and especially at the beginning. And learn by doing. Watching a tutorial is great, but real learning happens when you build a project, whether it is small or large. Find a mentor or a community to connect with the experienced developers for guidance. And another one is be patient, stay consistent. So progress take time. So keep going and start building your portfolio, showcase your project, and build a resume earlier. It help you to job search, and communications matter. Tech skills are important, but being able to explain your work is as just as crucial. Don't fear to make a mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Embrace the learning process. So keep learning, stay curious. Technology evolves, so should you. And just that is I want to share with you for beginner, and that if I could do it, so can you. So stay consistent and keep learning. Trust the process. Your hard work will pay off. So this is all about my coding journey. So I would like to hear from you guys. What's your coding journey like? Share your experience in the comments below. If this video will help you or inspire you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for a more tech content. Your support keeps me motivated to share more valuable insights with you. Yeah, this is all. thing I want to share with you. So bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep growing.